Did you know that your gut houses trillions of bacteria essential for your health? Imagine the impact they have on your well-being. Have you ever considered how these microscopic allies affect your daily life? Stay tuned to discover how sea moss can revolutionize your gut health journey. Let's dive into the wonders of this natural remedy. Explore the fascinating world of gut health and its influence on our well-being. Meet sea moss, a remarkable natural ally for your gut. Incorporating this superfood is a significant step toward healing and revitalizing your digestive system. Stay tuned to learn more about this powerful solution. Many of us know the discomfort of bloating and indigestion. These issues disrupt our routines and signal deeper imbalances in gut health. Despite being common, natural solutions often remain elusive. The market is flooded with quick fixes that fall short, leaving us searching for effective alternatives. Imagine constantly feeling sluggish or uneasy, unsure where to turn. It's a struggle shared by many who seek natural relief. But what if there was a holistic way to address these challenges? By nourishing our bodies with the right ingredients, we can pave the path to better gut health. In the upcoming segment, we'll uncover a powerful ally in this quest, sea moss. Known for its rich nutrient profile, it offers a promising solution for those tired of conventional remedies. Stay with us as we dive deeper into how sea moss can transform your digestive health, setting the stage for a refreshing recipe that brings everything together beautifully. Let's discover how nature's bounty can be your next step towards wellness. Sea moss, a powerhouse of nutrients, offers an incredible boost to your gut health. It's packed with minerals like iodine, magnesium, and iron, essential for overall wellness. But how exactly does it support digestion? Sea moss nurtures the gut lining and promotes the growth of good bacteria, combating issues like bloating and indigestion. Imagine meals that don't leave you feeling heavy or uncomfortable. That's the promise of incorporating sea moss into your diet. How can you start enjoying its benefits today? It's easier than you might think. Add it to your morning smoothie for a refreshing start. Mix it into soups for an added nutrient punch, or use it as a thickening agent in your favorite sauces. Each method enhances flavor and fortifies your gut health with every bite. As we explore its benefits further, get ready to discover a delicious way to incorporate sea moss into your daily routine with our Sea Moss Power Smoothie. Stay tuned to learn how this simple recipe can transform your gut health and elevate your culinary experience. Now, let's dive into the heart of our journey with the Sea Moss Power Smoothie. This delicious and nutritious blend is a practical solution for enhancing gut health. Start by gathering your ingredients: fresh sea moss gel, ripe bananas, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk. Each component is carefully chosen to nourish your digestive system. Sea moss is packed with over 90 essential minerals, while bananas provide a good source of fiber and natural sweetness. Spinach adds an extra dose of vitamins and antioxidants, and almond milk is a gentle, lactose-free alternative. Blend these ingredients until smooth, and you've got yourself a powerhouse of nutrients that not only supports digestion, but also boosts your overall well-being. This smoothie is more than a drink. It's a step towards a healthier gut and a happier you. So why not give it a try? Experience the difference in how you feel and enjoy the taste of wellness in every sip. As we move forward, remember that small changes can lead to big improvements in your health journey. Next, we'll recap the benefits and show you how this smoothie fits into a balanced lifestyle. To sum up, nurturing your gut health is crucial for overall wellness. The Sea Moss Power Smoothie offers a tasty way to support your digestive system with natural goodness. Incorporating this into your routine can be a simple yet powerful step toward the healthier you. Up next, discover how you can join our wellness journey. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Try the Sea Moss Power Smoothie and let us know how it transforms your gut health. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Join our community and take the next step towards wellness naturally. Your journey to better health starts with just one sip.